Babae, mangkaya lagi.
Davao Occidental.
Hello guys, I'm from Davao City, Philippines.
Davao Occidental. Mr. J.
Basta Davaoenyo,
Highland ng Manama.
Oo.
Davaoenyo ka, coach. Sir, adili ka.
Dire.
From the Davao
Adir Norte.
Crusaders. Coach Lisa Nina Mahinay.
Sa Tagum,
Please
Limpyo.
receive your medals for the bronze medal achievement. Player number 3, Africana Maria Bianca. Player number 5, Bella Dora Jane. Player number 2, Jojoso Lea Minchi. Player number 9, Foliante Michelle. Player number 4, Justo Joanna Rose. Player number 10, Lumayas Melchi. Player number 8, Maruya Princess Lilia. Player number 6, Sharin Harlin Gay. Player number 7, Rosario Geneva. And player number 1, Trinidad Louis Joy. Of course, with the coach, Ma'am Christianina Mahinay. Congratulations, bronze medalist. And a silver medalist from Davao City, the Dorians. With their coach, Cesar Canton, please receive the medals, silver medal. Player number 10, Abad Kisha Sonia. Player number 12, Bakinar Maria Luz. Player number 14, Batikora Rafael. Player number 9, Kadayona, Brianna May. Player number 8, Kadayona, Dennis Sawyer. Player number 2, Koyoka, Lovely G. Player number 13, Edises, Rachel Angela. Player number 7, Escalante, Stephanie Marie. Player number 4, Esclia, Marina Cody Brown. Player number 11, Hernandez Jasmine. Player number 3, Epona, Maria Angela. Player number 1, Polo, Ivy Leona. Player number 5, Romero Jemery. Player number 15, Saturinas Christian. Player number 6, Vidal Jillian.